Hello dears, how are you all? I hope you are all good and safe at home. I am Satyamurthy from Bhadasana Metric Higher Secondary School. I am very happy to meet you again in this video session. Now I am going to continue 11th Mathematics first chapter, that is sets, relation and functions. In this chapter today we are going to discuss about relation. So what is relation? You take few elements from the Cartesian product to form a set, then you will find the relation. When we approach the concept of the relation in different aspects, in real life sense, cryptography, geometry, from the Cartesian product. Listen to us from that. Next, in our daily life, second subdivision, let P denotes the set of all straight lines in a plane. The relation are defined by L is related to M if L is perpendicular to M. See here given set is all straight lines in a plane. Do you understand? So in the solution, given set, that is all straight lines. All straight lines in a plane. All straight lines in a plane. From this, the given relation is L is related to M. If L is perpendicular to M. Listen to this. Now I am going to check the three relation, that is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. From this, first relation, reflexive. Listen, to check reflexive, how many elements we need? Only one element. Here I am going to consider that as L element. From this, in the statement, L is not perpendicular to L. Listen, a element cannot be perpendicular to itself. Do you understand? A line cannot be perpendicular to itself. Listen, therefore in the relation L is not related to L, so it is not reflexive. It is not reflexive. Second relation, that is symmetric. In the symmetric relation, we need two lines. What are the lines? L and M. So in the relation, L is related to M. So how can you write the statement? In the statement, L is perpendicular to M. L is perpendicular to M. And again the statement, M is perpendicular to M. Listen to this. Now I am going to draw the lines. So this is line L, this is M. Now you see, I said L, if L is related to M, it means what? L is perpendicular to M. Yes, it is perpendicular. At the same time, B is also perpendicular to, M is perpendicular to L. So it, from this, how can you write the statement? M is perpendicular to L. Therefore, in the relation, it is also satisfied. Listen. So M is related to L. From this, how can I write? It is symmetric relation. It is symmetric relation. From this, next I am going to check transitive. So how many lines we need to check transitive? 3 lines. What are the lines? Let us consider L, M and another one N. Listen, The third one, transitive relation. Transitive. In the transitive relation, we need 3 lines. In the first relation, listen to this. First one is, so L is related to M and M is related to N. Finally, what should have? So L should be related to N. In the statement, first, this 2 relation I am going to write in the statement. L is perpendicular to M. At the same time, listen to this, M is perpendicular to N. Listen. L is perpendicular to M and another one is, and M is perpendicular to N. Listen to this. And finally, so this is M, N. Now you check L. Now this is L, M. L is perpendicular to M and M is perpendicular to N. This said it is not perpendicular. It is not perpendicular. So M and N are parallel lines. Do you understand? So M and N are parallel lines. It is not perpendicular. So in the statement M, I said M is perpendicular to N. So M is not perpendicular to N. From this, M is not perpendicular to M. Listen. The statement M is not perpendicular to M is not perpendicular to N. It is parallel. Do you understand? So the relation, no need to check third one is whether it is perpendicular or not. Do you understand? From this, so directly we can write it is not transitive. It is not transitive. Do you understand? Yes. So no need to check in the third condition whether L is perpendicular to M or not. Do you understand? Because in the second condition M is not related to N. So from this, in the relation we can write M is not related to N. Let A be the set of consisting of all the members of the family. The relation are defined by A related to B if A is not a sister of B. Listen, if you consider the relation A is not a sister of B. Do you understand? If they are not sisters, that is the relation. From this, in the solution, first, what is the set A? Set A equal to all the members of the family. All the members of the family. From this, who are the members of the family? Son, mother, father and daughter. So these 4 members are the family. Listen, from this, the given relation A is related to B. What is the condition they give? If A is not a sister of B. If A is not sister of B. Listen to this. From this, now I am going to check reflexive. To check reflexive, we need only one element, that is only from this only one members. Do you understand? one member of this family. From this, in the first relation, reflexive. To check reflexive relation, first the statement A is not sister of A, illa sister to A. Listen, because it is not possible. A person cannot be sister of himself or herself, sorry. From this, a statement A is not sister of A, same element, that is only one person A. So here what is the person A? You consider S. Okay, S is not any one person. It may be son, mother, father, daughter, whatever it may be. So S is not sister of A. So from this, the relation, it is S is related to S, or you consider D, daughter. Okay, so they said not means that is the relations. So S is related to S, it is reflexive, therefore it is reflexive relation. From this, next I am going to check symmetric. To check symmetric relation, we need two elements. From the set of all the family members, I need two members. Listen, I am going to consider first one as the statement. First, you have to write the relation. Relation S is related to M. So two elements I have considered here, that is son and a mother. Son is not sister of B. Do you understand? The statement son is not sister of M, mother. And the same statement in the reverse, M is not sister of S. From this, S is not sister of M, at the same time mother is not sister of son. Do you understand? So this is M is related to S. So from this it is symmetric. Now I am going to check another condition. It is symmetric. So no need to write, because I am going to check another thing. Suppose I am going to consider two elements of S and D, son and daughter. Now I am going to check son and daughter. In the same condition, first relation, son S is related to M. So how can you write that? Son is not a sister of mother, sorry, daughter you consider. Son is not sister of daughter, is brother. Do you understand? From this, the statement son S is not sister of D, sister of D. The symmetric condition, same thing in the reverse again, but D is sister of S. Do you understand? D is sister of S. From this, the statement D is not related to S, because daughter is sister of the son. Do you understand? The family members. From this, it is not symmetric. It is not symmetric. Next, the transitive, we need three elements. So from this we need three members, and now I am going to check transitive relation. The transitive relation, first I am going to write the relation. What is it? First I am going to consider S is related to M and M is related to F. Finally it gives S is related to F. Now you listen. In the statement I am going to write, son is not sister of mother. S is not sister of mother M, and same thing, mother is not sister of father. M is not sister of F. Sister of F. Again in the statement, same thing, finally S is not sister of F, because son is not sister of father. S is not sister of F. From this, the relation, final relation is what? That is, S is related to F. It is transitive, but no need to write, because I am going to check on another condition. We need to check all the members, each other. Now I am going to take another relation from this, the relation R. From the reverse, first daughter is related to father, and father is related to son. Finally, we need to check the whether it is relation or not. So D is related to S. D is related to S. This is the final condition. From this, first two things in the statement. So daughter is not sister of father. Do you understand? So D is not sister of father. Do you understand? And father is not sister of son. F is not sister of son. And finally, daughter D is sister of son, because they are she is sister of the son. Do you understand? From this, D is sister of son. From this, it is not related to S. Do you understand? The relation D is not, otherwise D is not related to S. So it is not transitive. Do you understand? We need to check every members of the family. That's why I checked first. The first condition we get it is transitive. Later it is not. So this is the answer. Do you understand? So it is not transitive. That's it. Now we have checked three conditions. That is, first one is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Do you understand? Dear students, keep watching our YouTube channel to improve knowledge. Thank you.
நளினி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதர் ப்ரீகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அது 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸில் எம்இஎம்லும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.
ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்லேயும் சரி மார்க்ஸ்னால் அப்படியே வந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் அதே நேரத்தில் ஸ்டடீஸுக்கும் வந்து அவங்க எந்த ஒரு பிரச்சனையும் இல்லாமல் ரெண்டு விஷயத்தையும் அழகாக